Alrighty folks, this is Jaybird Drone and I'm doing an unboxing today. Had a package today in the mail for a brand new Sony Playstation 5. If you're new to my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Hit the all notifications bell to be informed on the latest and greatest new drones and electronics. So let's get started. This is the back of the box. It's got an image of the PlayStation 5. I got the disc version and the one controller. I also picked up an additional controller and the charging hub, which is also kind of hard to find, but I was able to get my hands on one. So let's go ahead and open this box. See what we have. Good. Let's go ahead and lay it flat. Slide this out. Now you're probably wondering that this is probably still sold out at most stores, but keep trying. You'll eventually get one like I did. So let's see. Got another flap inside of here, so go ahead and open that up. Okay. Let's go ahead and pull this out first. This probably has all your components in it. So when you first get this, there's a manual and a power cord and the controller. There's the controller right here. Very similar to previous PlayStations, except this one's in white. Got a nice feel to it. Pretty solid controller. Got your power cord. And you got your user's manuals. A quick start guide, PlayStation 5. And this is just the safety guide. Got those. Let's put it right out of the way. Then you have your HDMI cable to use, and you have your stand. This is good for if you're going to lay the console horizontally, which is nice. They included that. That's the stand. This is the charging cable for the controller. And charge that up. Now let's go ahead and get the system out. This all comes out. Okay, here, let's let this down. Pull it out. Okay. Slide it out. There's a big system. Always lay it flat when you're pulling it out. Put the box away. here it is, folks. PlayStation 5. That end. Let's hold that. Here we go, folks. Always cool to have the first unboxing. Straight from the factory. Here it is, PlayStation 5. This is what everybody's trying to get right now. There it is. You can also set it up vertically. Which I'll probably have mine laying flat and using this stand that it comes with. But yeah, it's a very big system. A little weight to it. There it is. It's got the nice Sony logo up there for the PlayStation. But if you're lucky to get one of these, it's $4.99 for the disc version. You also have a digital version. It's $3.99. But I like to watch a lot of movies, so this is why I went with this model. But yeah, it's got a nice premium feel to the controllers. I'm gonna go ahead and play this system after I charge the controller up and let you guys know how it does. Pretty sure that's everything out of the box. This was just a short video. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the all notifications bell. Give me a thumbs up on this video. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. Have a great day and a nice weekend. Signing off.